Adishimama yamamu nyina akwaba eba United Television so said the despite media ya shemobo say afiaba ye beto no decision time and somehow do fa abato no ho abato no campaign ahodo parties ne ye abato obre no ene na wie ye nyina no ye de ho nsam bebre mu no eno na yeguso ayeye na ene dey ye tia yeye ema ye mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa makwan ebi ne pono de ama United Television say yemra na ye nimedi nkomo kakra na yenhwe campaign a wo ye CDC ko niam ahodo bi a wo ne campaign mu a wo ka nsam ahodo bi ebinom so eka e de fa ne campaign na wo ye no ho ene de wo ye de fa NDC amayoku no se no betu edi nkunim fimpinu ne aduonu yi no eno na yaba ne nche ne de a ye ne no ebedi sa enkomo yi enti ye semre no ye mama yewura akwaba mampene da Mahama ye ma akwaba
akwamna me da se
ye da se pin so se wo bi opuna ma ye na nwumre se ye mra wo nche ne obedi nkomo ye hwe so fa campaign ne ko sai
ekoye say social this year campaign na sonko kra if you say emra yenya said be campaign no na say aye tight isua coronavirus buying into any restrictions are buying no yentimi an shares in campaign ntam anti o hwa be bosom yense ya kaye no na say ejane bie papa nti aye tight am I dey etimi a company kopin ahomache so nyame adom nti bibia akoye bibia akobo konso bibia ebe konso obia epie omobonje so ensema ye de eba a free manifesto monso otimi hu se omutie na sopam
okay why am anyo so mache wako campaign ahodo bebre 2008 wo ne enkane mampani mo so nya ne ba bi kro na eye campaign wo hwe se de nipa de ahonkeka ehia mo sabre no 2012 sabre no so mo san eko campaign bio wo hwe ahonkeka enkrofo edi hia mo mo de etena abamu 2016 mo san ekoye campaign ahonkeka enkrofo di hia mo eno mo de call opposition wo hwe sabre 2008 12 16 enkrofo hia be hia mo ene 2020 said the enkrofo ba no hu ni say 2008 die ni bi amodi wini power no ana 2012 die na amodi retain power no ana 2016 die na amodi lose power na mu de ohe na hu 2020
we say am kind when yes sonko if you say yeah campaign na yeah other years no are different some no na yare bi ni ho enti etimi ya mega rallies enti ye call constituency to constituency one na regional rally kese baako this year's campaign say yanye any mega rally yanye regional rally yanye national rally and they just say na you use mini rallies and social media and ebia FaceTime Facebook nesanyoma no and I am mixture of a lot of things and we call constituency bia nipa obetimi ehia omo no to say na ebe stage na yenya park kese na nipa bebre aba no this year anya nesa but still also a year if you say make us say to say 2008 there no so opposition are different who aban mu so are different mrp no who aban mu sikasem enye challenge senya who opposition nti ebia wo ye mampanyi na wo ko bebia wo DC4 wo aban crofo a omo district nyina nti ombekọ akọ high buses normal train crofo free baby bebre abehia won ya de but wo opposition you don't have those kind of resources who needs our resources no nti wotimi hu say nipa epie ebehia won no na eyade a ewo makoma mu nti enomban wo hwe Kumasi say ye course ame na wo hwe nipa eba ho not a single bus and the obi free baby abai ebi te aboboyamu na omo ba ye ba yehia nkrofo te aboboyamu na omo koswame you know enti utimi wo say e more genuine a chance say owo aban mu enti meka say 2008 there no
mo ye campaign aya mota de message man nkrofo say we na se me ba meye 2008 mo kan bi 12 mo kan bi 16 mo kan bi 2020 you know mo campaign amo ye no message ben pa ne message a emudu a mo de ma mo Ghana fo nyina
eno efa ejuma ho wo hwe Ghana free 1992 a ye start kabima minka bi amambo ye man no akonanim otimi wo say economic growth cost so ne ade na social and economic infrastructure so yeah but ejuma ye mabunu benya no the economy no mbie emma omontimi nya ejuma sa wo hwe nkwada a free school eba a graduated from secondary school from university ne ade emrepi no omupia ejuma mbetimi aye ene krache ejuma because that's the kind of education I had ama omo emphasize technical vocational education send a mind be to say Germany aye enti enkwada ne pia omo ni omo nsa no ejuma eno ane se omo hwe krache ejuma nso either say woni aban be ejuma na say private company bi na say ejuma no afia no so na nipa ehwehwe no don so aha enti e wo say yesesa e wo say bibi sesa if you say wo hwe say na economy si kona afi ejuma omo ehwehwe nipa so mbeye e bia crane operator bulldozer operator welder any sound your man oil industry be any sound your man but on person omo fe nipa omo nya because ye nkwada no ye nkyere omo saa enjuma no a eye omo nsa no ejuma enti aditi try person ye a ye babium any say ye be ye nsese bi se na be ya nkwada ni bia on person omo ye technical vocational training omo so benya kwan etimi aye abofra timiko school na obeka se wabon otron so hwe a ye beka se onya dd ebia nye achede anyame de man no enso wo de no call technical vocational o ka se on fa nsanye adwuma nia onya aa no onto no o ta se enti o se ye hwe ye madi na what their potential is nyom betimi aye na omo mbefa technical vocational track no entem ne de omo si so na omo nya omo sa no adwuma omo so omo koye omo adwuma na omo so a omo timi dwe nwoma no a omo pese omo ko university omo so omo fa omo kwan enti one of your major flagship program technical vocational education training say you be technical vocational education training centers your secondary technical schools but and also and most of them equip schools no to be able to do the technical training. Apart from that, technical vocational training, we hear teachers I bet me technical vocational courses no, and we don't have enough. You one training college per a training sankrofo. Enti ye pese ye bie mienu eka ho se na be ya ye benya technical vocational training teachers ni bebre na ye post omo akọ secondary technical schools also ye equip omo technical laboratories se na be ya enkwada na omo sua technical vocational no so on betimi asua na say ye bie technical vocational training centers and school secondary schools centers so that omo efi e bia JHS 1 to aso and I say secondary school one to aso afi opeso or shift the call technical vocational training one person got na school move for another 3 years and so ultimately ba 6 months no asua no acquire practicals or some about 6 months no asua no acquire practicals now the certificate amano your NVTI National Vocational Training Institute almost more training centers also upgrading on training centers na you register member near the omuba so training na be free send be ya ebetimi enya enkwada no dodo aba because of secondary school and I say of secondary school secondary school is free it also yeah and also free send be ya ebetimi enya enkwada no normal be sua omonsa no edwuma no betimi enya edwuma aye
free asama
no ye baako
okay
ne etoso ye free primary health care ye wo bibia friend no sustainable development goals SDGs okay say ye nyina akọ sign e man nyina ye akọ sign na SDG 3 efa apomuden ho I say I was said by 2030 yetiminya good health ema yenkrofo nyina na ohwe senya yesi kono anhwe ya yentimi meet sa goal no if you say national health insurance no ohwe omo health insurance card omo nya health insurance no faso omo ye nipa oha nchichemu eduanan for Ghana population nyina enti say nipa oha nchichemu eduasian any health insurance card enti ada so omo nko hospital so wɔn ni sika wɔn nkɔ hospital wɔn bɛkɔ dinsini hɔ anaasɛ native doctor hɔ anaa herbalist hɔ wɔn nkɔ hospital no gye sɛ wɔn tua because wɔn ni health insurance na sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛbɛ achieve universal target of health for all a ɛnna ɔsi yɛde biribi bɛka health insurance no ho ɛnyɛ sɛ I won't be able to meet it nti yɛde free primary health care ɛɛba ɛno for a free district hospital ɛɛba fam nti district hospital polyclinic health center clinic chips compound I just say mostly in the rural areas ne districts no yɛde free primary health care program ɛɛba sɛnɛ bɛyɛ a once we show you proof say we are Ghanaian either o Ghana card o call chips compound na o de bɛkyerɛ bɛhwɛ o free juice kebia na afibia government be budget for that program yɛhwɛ sɛ obi a ɔbɛ participate bia aban bɛ spend be $8 on the person $8 averagely and ɛnyɛ obi a na bɛ yare what you say in a year ebi akwam now the whole year wɔn yare ebi ame me yare mpremienu anaso obi be yare baako ana bibi nti average $8 per person nti wo hwɛ a ɛbɛba to about 1.4 billion cedis nti ɛno sɛnea ye finance free education no so yɛ de frango sika a ɛne yɛ de yɛ nti ɛno so yɛ de frango sika no ɛne ɛbɛfa 1.4 billion from your oil revenues na yɛ de afande free SHS no nti ɛbɛ cover drugs any consultations into chips company nipa wo ho no say health assistant to say nurse or obehwe e draw here e bia paracetamol chloroquine and say typhoid e draw and antibiotics simple antibiotics or the bema na wasaw yare
okay enti say metie wo ya na say niam ahodo mienu technical vocational education
technical vocational
and
free primary health care. Yeah, well, the big push.
The big push, yeah. So the big push, and also there.
I know your $10 billion investment. Your social and economic infrastructure. Some guys, the social infrastructure, to say school, to say hospital, and where social good. And yet they are winning for so efrim. What I say, but the guys economic infrastructure to say electricity. What I say, okay, electricity money, pa omutia electricity bill, and also ma omutimiye industries near there. To say akwan usi kwan na the toll booth and abibi esi ho nti esike free moba and then apart from that eboa ma ye de enyoma e free e foam e de kodwom and isa nyoma no ana harbor ana airport sa nyoma no nti social and economic nti social and economic infrastructure now sha e free independence abreso yentimi empeja sa infrastructure no mbedru pempenso a economy no betimi epeja yakoye kwan kakra na eja na yakoye ewei kakra na eja na aye wei kakra ntia na ebe kwan ekina na yakosi school bako ha na yakoye bibi wa ha e wo se yetimi nya sika bia ebetimi epeja ni nyina at once se na be ya ebetimi epia economy no na economy na epeja nti 10 billion no yahwe se every year you be 2 billion ebe go into social and economic infrastructure investment na ye dey see your polyclinics your schools ye dey aye ya kwan baby any electricity ni atwe akọ ni aye yensuo apart from that your friend agro processing zones crop processing zones and also to say baby ye dua abe ye the small machines bema ekuafo no na omutwa abe na instead of some de abe no be kodwom akoton no san no omo de begu machine mu na omatwe engo na efrim engo no omo ye vegetable oil e water ha omoto palm oil engo bia obetimi enya ma omo mbeton if you say ye ni nia ebeso ejuma omo ye nti omo de 436,000 metric tons every year of engo koko every Malaysia bagana ha omo imported from Malaysia and Indonesia 436,000 metric tons every year. Also your capacity ayen so yebetimi aye etimi a supply omo. Enti your farmers are omo palm plantations. Yeah, the some machines ne be omo na omo timi a processing. Baby edua cashew, te say bono is ne bono. Yeah, the cashew processing be ko ho. Na cashew no intel say ye be ma nkrofofia ma no ne abeto e de akokwa no. Yes, you be process because some of the call mukroma omo de call factory no more ye no more de call America no more cotton no more $10 aba nti enso ye de saa machines ne baba bibia ye ginger utimi ye ginger powder utimi ye ginger oil ni na yetimi de call abroche kwaje sikaba nti o saa crop processing zones no nti sika ne bi be ko ho say saa machines na ye hia the ACC saa factories no they are different from one district one factory one district one factory yeah district a political entity and so can say one district na wo the factory ko si ho a wo hwe enyoma ye wo Ghana enye by district what I say for instance you can say cashew districts by 20 something and they produce cashew wo Ghana ha and so can say one district one factory and to me the full economic potential but okay say bono is bono cashew processing zone ni you hear 3 factories e wo ha etimi process cashew e wo ha nyina near the south factories na go what I say and here you use crop processing zones concept and here one district one factory to say banchi say etimi the cassava chips they call China your brewery store cassava e de fra biano omo me biscuits any brodo near the omo the cassava flour mixing wheat flour no say na be ya ombenya a certain consistency na cassava processing plants ye ni bebre ma ko okintampo me ko hui o say omo ma no order 40 tons a day otimi 20 tons we enti saa enyoma no ye de besisi ho say na be ya emabunu benya adwuma na ekwafo no so enye sika e say emre bia yese ekwafo omundua banche mundua ebro mundua soya bean nso mundua wia obia embe kire senia ombeje enyomene free omo ho de akoye bibi nti ekwani na ena bekwa hwe obi a obeto normally price na ombeto free no ho no e wo form nti ni sika obenya at the end of the day no onya mfaso bia ebetimi apagya na setna anase na brabo nti saa nyoma nyina ene pese ye hwe ne fix nti eno ne the big push apart from that you were near friend Ejumapa and also yeah hwe say ebetimi create 1 million jobs in 4 years 250,000 jobs a year and no you be National Employment Center labor office you be done no to National Employment Center near digitizing employment center no nti abefo nyoma was here the share for computers near the beso nti abofo obegi school bia the qualification obenya or the better sa platform no so na yenya omo a omwo enjuma a ompa nipa se ombeba be ye edwuma ma omo nti ombeko online onto sa database no ebia mehwehwe crane operators into type crane operators obehu nipa enim crane operating na ewo ho nti wo say oh we how many years experience obehu ni na ho no yi be nipa 10 wo say momra for test nti omo kwa no attest yomo nipa open and as number open na we yes ya be ma tax insensitive and also be register say wafa nipa say nafa nipa 3 crane operators nafa bulldozer operators until at the end of the year so you benya employment statistics until be hu nipa omunya ejuma within the economy during that period aban ejuma so ofa obi a what the better so say na be ya you betimi because Ghana you need employment statistics obi a sorry I will say oh I've created 2 million jobs until only scientific means be a okay say we created 2 million jobs na nu ya ban akufo ado aban am say we created 2 million jobs na anko we created 2 million jobs you would feel it what I say we share mabuna egu ho no without worker 2 million ka ya 2 million of them are so been thinking you could be say you say planting for food and jobs fertilizer bottle be a be maybe it me create 7 jobs into your 100,000 bags of fertilizer into you to say 100,000 bags of fertilizer no I created 700,000 jobs me na ka 2 million no me wa fertilizer ni bi and na Burkina Faso ne Mali ya smuggle apie at the call so the susu say sa fertilizer bottle no it created 7 jobs no within the Ghanaian economy I created 7 jobs into sanyo many na pese ya tutu ni ye sana be ya ya mai no ebetompo
Your Excellency you kasa no kasa about the juma also betumi create about 1 million jobs if you na there yenimu na say afibia 250,000 jobs what opponents also kire say one within some short time no am the NAPCO buy am want to farm mabunu 100,000 into one that short period
almost
no
100,000 sometimes almost 80,000
I'm saying 100,000
almost 60,000
it is 100,000 one patch so within that short time to be 100,000 create 100,000 jobs are na say oh the 1 year be create 250,000 jobs and say oh the no she dey ni nyina so papa bia
no but NAPCO enye a sustainable job artificial job creation what I say transit quarters and kwadano wo ho omu ni adwuma onim nya ode ombeye into for the meantime yen create way the information it is a national service enye adwuma and I'm just saying into omu free school na omu ni adwuma no the information na ko niam omu 700 cedis a month bebre tifie omu nya hwe at the end of the month na 700 aba no agedi what I say until those are not sustainable jobs kasa about sustainable jobs and for bit to me and who say we are working and this is the income we are earning. What you say? Until NAPCO, na say every government was annual money youth employment at the end of the month woman 300 and 400 and BB and no and your friend artificial job creation and then no a temporary and yet permanent jobs. Send NAPCO won't be graduate into graduate edwuma ben no mo you understand? Because omu ye NAPCO omo kwa still who ni edwuma ma omo enti nya aka say omo ye NAPCO trainees say you better transit omo into permanent jobs because share at least in the public sector you bet me about 50,000 jobs a year human resource gap analysis you who say we can absorb about 50,000 into the public sector every year into omo NAPCO no you better transit omo aba into the public sector. Near for Abertrain, what I say. Into while they are doing the NAPCO AE, you are transiting them into permanent jobs. And that's what I can say. But the point is, economy naturally a creative jobs within the system because say ejuma ekoye to say kwabna ebia wo ejuma bi na economy no enyi na sika ewo krom ni ade say obe tre ejuma no what say with Juma no so a we here more hands and so the more people beba ekreni nya sika okoton ebia factory eto o tu ne branch ya na factory bi ato ana otwa ne bro na obi ato what I say into onye sika the next year obeka say oh me farm no esampo ma me ye bi nka ho what I say na okasa obe ye bi aka ho a obe here more labor more hands into a ejuma ba in the system and no sustainable jobs and youth employment NAPCO ne nasefo
no ebritia bi de your silence be yamna when some ahodo bi akokoso a afa education your education musem we de yemfa no nwura mu ne hwe it's about free senior high yes wo ba wo so be gunu
da be nam kansa
yes wo ba free senior high be gunu campaign ahodo ekọ nyina ache say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama says so oba obegu free senior high kura e de free ho o kan say na wo pa kira afa free senior high
kwabna unim say na politics it here mi ankasa minim say unim say e politics na nipa de ya me kan say sembe ma pinya free senior high na challenges home especially double track asemi and o share even eduania and kwadani the system of feeding problems home say headmasters no ne educationists bekan na aban eyi omodi and as a transfer into nipa ntimi nkasa into with all the challenges no yeguswa ye recently assessment by say your free senior high you're the most expensive in the world I just say you say sika also in terms of waste and kebetimi aye no in a way a ebetimi improve the quality of the free senior high what you say enti me ka say ye ba ye be frɛ awofo no ne afrɛ teacher for ne afrɛ educationists ene obia ne abɛtena se ne ahwɛ implementation no say na AC call say na be ya ebetimi amana aye better enti me say we'll call a stakeholders conference to review the implementation so far say na be ya we can make it better. Now review na me kind no share dictionary meaning of review a formal assessment of something with the intention of instituting change if necessary. Into year assessment of implementation. And then I to sing a womb. Send a bear, a bit me ateneno, na etimia papa. Make a review and a MPP for afa say abolish na lawyer kukudam to say Omampeni Akufo-Addo. Or say on the entire about review and say ube ye free home. It just shows a lack of credibility, a lack of sincerity. What do you say? Because you say it's a chrome coagina. What you say? Nyansa nini oba Akufo team. She get fund like the buy. When baby a get fund fee. Abrap Spiogabra, Minister of Education, offer a conference on funding education in Ghana. Awo for buying, teacher for buying, National Union of Ghana Students, TUC, OBIA, na a big conference, International Conference Center. Sam Renonami, a Minister of Communications, in the make a conference, maybe. Yes, our conference, no, and you say, oh, I didn't talk 10% and talk. Bibia obia betobia yemfan go get fund money yemfan to yemfan finance education. Me say anka get fund na ma anka bibia ye additional edru no anka ndru bibia we because we share almost all the infrastructure e your schools from university right down and you get fund sika and ye there here. Into yes our conference yi and they get fund idea by. Into you say obia ma awofo they are not happy with this double track. Inti yanka say awo formra teacher formra education simbra TUC formra National Union of Ghana Students formra SHS no so far ya implementing mu hu ne sen obi amfa na adwemra say na ebetimi aye amana ye better asami amika yi ni na yanom edenam osi oba obetwem wa na betimi atwem our constitution mu the constitution say the state shall make secondary education progressively free. It is a share say aban be na betimi abaka say they be against the constitution ye tia sign FQ ba ya implement aban bi betimi abe cancel FQ. FQ be free Rawlings abreso na ba Akufo abreso Akufo na implement ye aban foforo betimi abaka say FQ no ye free ho. It's not possible. And so ye cheap politics nti omodenam oh mama ba obe free SHS free ho. Ye me ye free ho any double track no. Because me wa formula meet me double track no.
And then they were here.
Schools that yes no. Ye who say start free SHS na. Schools na wo ho no omu ni enough facilities say on be absorb enkwada no. Enti na me ka say ye be e blocks. I be see 200 of them. E bia ye see ye no anka double track no be ye worse simple because ye wie 43 bebre enkwada wo na school bia timi fa enkwada be 1000. What I say enti 43 mpo a ye wie no yanka senkoda ewo mu that's 43,000 children capacity inti ebema schools na ewo ho no enye congested because right now existing schools no ebi dormitories no esa inti ekona no bro dormitories no so inti oba ye say quite need dormitory inti na o say okọ school no ekohwe landlords ewo ho na open dan bi ede ma oba ekotenem na akwada 15 years and 16 years wako krobi so oko school no wako high dan amano we yem nhihye enti na make say ye ba ye schools na yesi no make apply make hu school back ye wie 100% complete akase ye de nkunya besim ama nkwada akotenam 4 years ni school ni si on enti ye ba sa schools ni na ye be wie ni tem ya ye bia ka ho the American say even schools na ewo ho na existing secondary schools no abra ye schools no ye dia asase ne kese what you say enti yanka say school bi minim example amema yanka say West Africa Secondary School no me dia example that West Africa Secondary School omo wo asase a egu ho enne nkrofo encroach enti ye the e block no ba ku si West African Secondary School asase so immediately you expand the capacity say ebetimi afa nkoda because West African Secondary School Adenta Madina Oyarifa area ho nyina ehọ na nkoda ne free Epcosa school no nti the e block no ba ku si ho a betimi afa 1,000 more students was our school no what I say nti a strategy a ye de be no Yeah, the e-blocks ni be ABCC, you know, on some of the secondary school lands. Baby, and for doors one, almost per school ni be a com. Shani am here or Kwabenya. A da me be a school, no na school na yema. Because time ye be a school, no now mu ye computer placement. And I often be a word domi Kwabenya ho. You say the banko Kukrantumi, ana Boko, ana Laura Secondary School. Ono some person ne babeko ho. Nti ye be a community day school no ewo Kwabenya. The day I me be a school no, na school na yema. Yesi ba kon frafra ha kohwe. Eno so ayema. You understand? Nti see it me yes schools in tema. Within 1 year double track ni betimi free ho. Ma she Ghana for bon. Say free SHS no. Never be ye ni ye. Na me show mo boss say me ba within 1 year double track and friend the traffic lights no ye be ye free ho. Aside from that, enkwada no aduane di enye. Aduane no nye. Because of system omo edi aba no. Buffer stock and the aduane no schools no. But can it na headmasters no principals no omo na ye in charge of feeding the students. Into the feeding grants no ma omo. Na omo nya contractor for normal supply no mutuaka. Sometimes se feeding grant number emaya contractors no to me supply and maybe a baby bia na etua omo ka. Nso afi yesi omo nje aduane no free buffer stock. Eto de bia aduane no mai. Into say headmaster no ko free aduane ana say ope ni sika nya say nkwada ni ndidi. Na ya the contract no for feeding ama party for near ade. Sometimes we share quality of the food na nye. Nti awofo no bebre say nkwada no ko school a this onya cho box na auto gari na auto sardine na auto sa provisions no air box ne ma ansa na abofra na timi akọ school. Sometimes aduane no enno so nti ekom na abofra o se onko sua de se kom de na ontimi nsua se na o sipe nti sa nyoma ni nyina anka yin na ahia ene e pensen ho a anka be nya solutions to most of those problems sa na me kan ya eja MP before edenam se me se me ba me cancel free SHS na me say me the private schools mpo be kan ho because me call Elubo mu ni senior high omo private senior high na ye de free SHS buy nti awfo nyina be yi omo ma free private school no e de omo call public schools na because government school any Elubo no omo de omo ma call half a senior high school and a school be a ben hono nti ama private school no enkwada no enim biom enso anka aban de sa school no kan ho a anka enkwada na ewo Elubo no omo nkoka omo wo half a senior no so ombenya school akọ ewo Elubo ho nti ebema congestion na ewo half a senior high no abafom nti me say me the private schools ebeka senior high school free senior high no me den eka say me cancel free senior high
na free senior high yes na say campaign e ko ba che say wo so na the free senior high buy
oh say mo TV mo channel yeti hey me who say ye kire eda me launch a progressive senior high progressive senior high eye omo constitution consultative assembly ordinary people of this country omo ena de buy because we share in constitution one almost within 15 years of the coming into force of this constitution there shall be free compulsory universal basic education in Ghana. Inti I know this shall say Rawlings they shall say but eventually you implement it Kofo Abreso the final preparation for F-Cube AC Kofo Abreso into F-Cube there and on a decapitation grants by and at the next AE almost say the state shall make secondary education progressively free and we are the next one into a idea yanya Ghana for call consultative assembly ombody shame
okay
into me launch a progressively free senior high education in Ghana me launch it in 2015 and me launch here the video is there I declared it officially launched and we started they're starting the day students and at the following year the boarding students they become home so we share budget statement for 2017 omo capture ewomu say budget for free senior high from the previous year omo chere sika you spending on free senior high Minister of Education Napo Onankasa ɔsɛ me gyan ne ka na 39 million mentua ɛna me di free aban mu 39 million for free senior high mentua ɛna me di free aban mu free senior high ben.
Okay. And then we are saying, Miss, and I am question for us. I said, "Bakwa can want someone so a be who am I gonna move brow or prono?" And they say, "Obey Ukada, Ukada, you be free." A man for say, "Hey, when any asamabo, we patch up. Say, obey legalizing. Ama Ukada no emra abaho. Now, omotumi ayo majuma said there's almost see a yeno. What does Sujina be original no?
Kabla yen legalizing no enkwada no monye.
Omoye.
Yen legalizing no, I did not omonye Okada business. Omoye. And so, I didn't yen legalizing. Na yetimi hu omoye business no, yetimi regulate omo. I didn't yen yesa. Because right now, who motor biya na nipa mienu tim so a. Untimi hu say a private motor, say a commercial motor, untimi hu. Announce ya saying. Na untimi enforce it because enye legal. Nti omo area and omo ye by the law. Oko police station na okwohwe motorcycles ayachi egu ho. Ko police station bia a shaman and a baby ube use motors egu ho a police for asizi edi abegu ho because omo ye Okada business. Na edwuma ni ho. Wenso na mabunu no ye enya omo kakra edehwe omo ho. Okada for omo bro hundreds of thousands are a means of livelihood for some people. What I say? And so the question is, I then legalize and regulate. Motorcycle, you bet to be the BB abon. So the open who say way your commercial, your Okada, way your private. But you legalizing, no, you cannot identify them. But you legalize here. Either say best some number plate, and now you the BB bomb motor no. Into who motor now, open who say, oh, way your Okada. What I say? Now, you train your mom. Say, who do traffic light at Gina? You are not supposed to ride in the middle of the road. Car say bar air car, now oh and fin. Car be born attraction. What I say? Into the way to ride a motorcycle safely, no. I was here omo. Omo person omo commercial no. Send a beya and quenchia a ya etesi no. NCBO. Now yetimi educated driver for also say motorcyclists are road users. What you mean a driver ni or who's a motor one in him na I say in na also won't train home and my member saying. On some kaka na wo ho a obediechi. Nso motor wo ho. E wo say who says that motor na it is a car wo winning. Nso be nwa pa on hwe ya no abona to atwene. What you say? Nti say legalize ni training kwada no no mudi emra no so traffic regulations or do traffic light at Wajina. What I say, near to me who say wear a commercial or share helmet, your attenuation social helmet, your insurance policy be, send a bear aquenshare BSC, to me a claiming insurance be. Those are the kinds of things we must do. I mean, believe you say it's more progressive rather than say yeti ebe share annuamu say illegal. Also, na ekoso.
Yeah, share assembly I see and saying from Antemusa and Crofia. Almost sorry, some person almost two more any who some sorry baby, Asrafo Kugu baby, Mokan was some kind. Oh, tia so a can't be said. A bandit actually, security for national security for the Biomotachiri, a yes, I am in someone know, a binum say, said I am no correct. What my casa won't some more can I know you've been out of a mom.
My man Penira, I've been commander in chief of this country before. My chairman of National Security Council Secretary at that. Meaning, senior your security services here. Meaning, omo performance. Meaning, level of omo competence. Se pa se ni si Volta region no. E yomu putu pro. Minjindi. It's either they become so efficient after I left office. And as there are two options. Sana Mikain. Either say, me feel Abaimoma is so inefficient. Within 4 years, means say a state institution can become so inefficient. And I say Omunim Hubi. Until me person the JD say inefficient. It is almost inefficient, and yet they know something about it. Until they should prove to me, say, and yes, sir, omunim hubi. And so either say, omo eduma so any biom ana bibi. What am I say? Because so I was in Togolandi, and yeah, nene shasi. If we omo penny ko for abreso, kakra no mo peja omo pa, kakra omo peja omo. And so I know the kind statement be say UN a year omo year no. You say after 50 years, I'll say yes, I no more decide this on person, omo kagana, one I say, on person, one casa, omo year, omo ye. But UN Charter no be any Musa. Yeah, plebiscite once and for all. One person will join the Ghana after at independence and I'm on pay, almost omo pay, and omo the bekan. Asa, be any UN Charter no more. I say after 50 years, on beti me aye bibia. Charter no ho, who Google you see it. Plebiscite no results are omo vote yani bibia na ne ento asumpo ni say bibia omo yesa ni omano na nka Transvolta Togoland home ukọ soga kope ho numu a na soga kope ho kan Ghana ho anglo keta ho nyina ka Ghana ho efri pando ekosro eho baby up to as northeast corner ho eno nana eye Transvolta Togoland. Na nipa o say oye president of Western Togoland mpo on free sa Transvolta Togoland. What you say? Enti omo na omo abekenya omo kakra. What you say? But government kept dealing with it. But mentia say Nana Akufo-Addo aban kwa bae. Na obehu training, military training. Na yetwa ho video. Western Togoland omo ti omo flag den na security say yakoche sa nipa no. Near the Oma Bank crying. The Oma Bank cry, ya the Oma Kojina court. Ya bet ya see a discharge your money na so mon sanko. Hey. It is uncle for now no mu trainer mo se mo achi omo. Mo ntimi anche ba kompo a mo de ne begina court. Na mo trying no for treason because secession is treason. A high crime against the state. What do you mean say as I buying the diagro? As I buying the diagro. What I say? Because ye na ye hu video na omo training. And security beka chair say yakoche enkrofo no yeti nipa be 30 and I say no mo doso enti anka say be by mistake na mochi omo enti say 30 nipa mochi ye no ba ko na mienu bi you couldn't prove say omo eka ho e no omo ye ne omo ye meanwhile you hu pictures you some of them no mo kata omo ni you hu omo commanders ni ade enti and plus
wadwunu ye wo na wo ba
me baby am gina no enemy experience as commander in chief Chairman of the National Security Council Secretariat, Bibi and Koyu.
Yeah, I'm so when Yabra will pay Quayako every day, but Yamra, over Matanamidu. Oh, by I am she share, ye, on by Hanty and this fool, a fay and I say. Also, the Indibre to war, a Japan same ya. I don't know, Chilcon or Sunday, I do a title say, Airbus and same be, and also whom. Ewu mubi sa government official one ayewa ejapa deal no matenami do ball ba ye kwa woko ene wo nsem a wode bebata anwe no asembe na okaka ho
oh say nyame me kan no efa report bia odpa efa ejapa ho na wahwe ejapa ensem ni mu a ode ne report e ba ye friend no corruption risk assessment na report na ode command no na ode we ebe shemu enti na wo hwe a ase mantia say ode eno shemu because wo ye we a Japan na why Japan report now the ama e bia say why investigate Airbus now the Airbus report akoma why investigate Galamsey eya na was submitted but say was submitted report now they asem foforo bi abeshemu no ase upese ye beka ho asema ye equalize ye say oh Japan say but embo so ye say Airbus say what you saying nti na me feel say enye ne kwan so a nti mekasa hashly kakra nipa bebre wanga because me nipa mekasa sa but make you no enya dia me pese me so but say ordinary juma eto ho no so ni nipa Matiamidu ya it was obvious that Sabisi, because Nipa, or you're very rigid. Chika some become rigid saying.
So Ubia. Ojina bahano jina hono jina ntumi nyen so wo twe na fi wo baby a sade ni to time pa
onye nipa oya flexible back and say
obi a wa mre na obetumi ade na for baby akeke
mre soft
obi a ne ho go kakra
ne ho ngo enti na minim say sa na beba no because ejuma o mo de ne ko hye mu wo hwe say ne o mo ye mra no a ontimi nya hwe ayet akwai se kraman a owose a uhu na obeka se kraman oye kraman a how do they say back
opo
what you say and so esi ni nenum omo tutu na esi nyina if you say o hwe amra na omo de buy no special prosecutor no ntimi nya hwe without the approval of the board na board amano kwa ntimi nya nti se board amano kwa obey investigation obey bibia so board amano kwan so on prosecute obi on to be prosecuted. Apart from that, setting up the office was a problem. Only investigators only nya a bit me ama office na functional nti me gidi ni say Akufo-Addo e share boss obey office of the special prosecutor nor did the corruption fight cut to another level nti na was say oye to fulfill that promise. But say or pesa office ni ejuma no pesa office ni ejuma and wo hwe ni amati amedu kan
yes ya bregu
oh I was say yes samra na kakra na nipa obekọ office no ye ma no kwan no timi ye na ejuma eno ebeyi president efi sa corruption ni oma no what I say because wuja offices no mu ye ejuma obi abehu say enye president ena edi wachi what I say it is a minister akoye bibi na special prosecutor tata na obengu say a special prosecutor say office ni independent and para what you say but obian himself office ni independent it is a special prosecutor tata na obeka say o president na person o yinedi what you say she galamsey asemi nipa ba ko a ya de so bobo no wo sa galamsey asem no ya chi no video so a o jisika na oye adwuma wo president office Jubilee House so the petition come special prosecutor and then aban and tem omoko report case no CID say CID investigative and the special prosecutor investigate sa case no no mo de ama CID so ya hwe ya CID the report about I say omo nya hwe omo clear omo when political interference no it was just to frustrate, say, frustrated special prosecutor, no, so that ultimately and go ahead with that case. No. You see, so Sani Omani in our air course. Ultimately, say there's no political will in the fight against corruption because Oshenipa omo kahun any catastrophe any prayer na omo being president. Ni nyamo the cousins ni den PDS. Ote tape one gabi also. On a president nya Bumpty a omo negotiate omo ne nipa baako say ne shares no on farm reform and also they be ompene nia ogina no ogina and I'm so into one pene mafom or say they be mafom yet omo voices she PDS asemi basa ebesi na ECG sika 200 million e wo commercial bank bi ene ewo interest baso and abanya afaichi akache PDS for ne say omonfa ono aban enko court ti asemi very serious aban ankasa epia PDS for ne say omonfa me enko court
na no mo page den
oh say court di ma omo
judgment debt na
say wrongful termination of omo contract what I say na 200 million no any near abeka ho no mo akofa na uma pursue government for judgment debt PDS asemi ensan yo
ye bi wo
is still going to come to haunt us
mehwe akire behwe ne aka no ho asam na ye be ni nti ana mesem no so wo ko ba bi nso nti ye hwe Kanema pe Jerry Rawlings be so rest in perfect peace wudi mo no to ye ene said ya wonimu no wote nkasan ewo ne ho na fe yemfa abo ba kunkun ma mienu ono e founder of your party ono ne yere Nana Konadu Agyeman Rawlings he said Nana Konadu ate no ho papa ji ya na oka mo ho a betu aka so de no raso gina ho no ono na woni hoyi I didn't know ye they phone say Nana Konadu mu to na mo bi say omra back na o meka mo ho said they na bote dada no ana
o ne di kan say your founder President Rawlings wo no ya dia one way it's just shocking what can I say
nwanwa ho dwiri
ye ho dwiri because obi ensusu say sani besi what I say because ye ne mama ye ko fie command yakọ na ohun nipa te ho no enya dia obesusu say lemre aso what I say ne mama ye nyina ye ko kita ho e command yakọ ekoja ne mama kwan na me fi kita e baaye no na me be kwa Ashanti region na me te say yes no ho mfa no kakra enti na assistant back your friend Dr. Gumenu enti me friend Dr. Gumenu I say oh say na mate I say oh boy on tiapo papa o say oh debi ne mama ye no obre kakra enti doctors ne say on beji na home no more observing on near there and enti me fa ne say oh normal eyi na ye de call Ashanti and you start your problem enti anopa no na ye ko buase akoye rally na obi friend me say nesi me say how it's not possible say normally nipa that's need there say rumors need to me back what I say obi ti ni baby ni aka say hey sa asimesi ewu ana say me say we dem engine dey enti me fa me phone me friend back mienu me friend say we yes we ate ba yenya confirmation and I finally me nya family member back home na me say e dey na yeti I say oh we there era home so no cray and I'm say oh and we were all so shocked because enya dia yesusu say ebesi samre no enti no enanche oye founder na Rawlings oma yenyina akwanya ye dia bedru baby ya bedru me young na me be 37 38 and me jina parliament me ba parliament and obi ekwai mame e de me deputy minister of communications every hobe me minister enti nipa mabeye say mabeye president of Ghana anka nye akwenya Rawlings de mame anka me no nte ha ebi anka by now me te ekura bi wo mikrom me do ana bibi enti oye nipa to me personally I hold him in high esteem onye perfect nipa bi anya perfect what I say and menka say bibia na yenene ya adwen there are sometimes na yenene nya adwen for instance na me Professor Mills vice president what I say enti me loyalty here to President Mills what I say enti to de bia ebia na on Rawlings ni President Mills omo adwen enye pe they disagree on something mean to me free President Mills echi and co support President Rawlings what am I saying enti there are sometimes disagreement or home but many times also we were happy we came together make a story be say me be fa Professor Nana Jane me no continue say I mean very nice the next day also memra tefle yenom coffee na yen kan asem nkosi you know omo mitimi ko ne fie ebia bibi fa party no ho na me no ekosusu ho nti me frɛ chairman yen ko founder ho nti nipa bebre nim saade omo feel say yen no ntokwa ne ade eto de bia ebia oka bibi fa party no ho na party enkwada no ne eje afi social media ba obia etimi tro bibi opebia you have no control obi tro something needing and on use needing po no atro bibi nti no sa ensem no party bia ewom but me feel say oyenipa they had a positive impact on Ghana. And you may be a CA, but Osha overall, baby, or the Ghana fee, Ghana be drew, he did very well because May 1983, na me university, na me national service, me nim send na Ghana city. And there are a lot of things that it take for granted because omo who baby if you buy na Rawlings for 19 years ono kuta omani and share positively. Me make say history will judge him kindly.
We ya kona me kanana kuna do mo person samba back mo need edi hu nkomo.
Well, say party ope nipa dodo about party mo na oye founder ere nti say ade a oye na adwen say obeba aden ebeje no but ono so akotiniko owo nipa ewo kuo no mo nti say beba no say age say omo ni omo kuo form but menjin dey say ebia ade a opese oba because o hwe abato aye komui ono so age na nti won timi ka say ononja na ombetaichi but ebia you never know in future anything can happen.
Yebeko na yedimu say yebeto aba nsentwerefo say yekobo dawuro afei IGP abeka ewo Peace FM say bambofo ebeko no national security for eni ho kwan say ombeko polling centers sa security arrangement no maye no wo no mo ya adwene sa.
Oh yes, because national security and operational wing of the security services. Omampenyi Akufo-Addo na abedani bibia abutu. What you say? Abraham ye mampenyi national security for omo nkuta tuo. What you say? Omo coordinate is a coordinating body. Omo coordinating security services no. Enti BBC a na beka say BBC wo ha. Monfa 1 battalion enko ha. Police force money ready. Ambulance service munko jina on standby in case of national security no. And then apart from the omo quality BNI ni ade into omo de omo asoto form say betimi esi na omo akache aban say aban wo hwe ha the way anyoma si ko basabasa yo betimi aba ha enti yembo ho ban national security no. And so every time Akufo-Addo buy wafa the invisible forces the Delta forces the omo nyina ko rem enti omo nyina kuta national security card they kuta pistols omukuta AK-47s any ade what you fear near say national security national security has come to arrest you. National security doesn't arrest people. One person will arrest you, one person the BNI and as a police. What you are saying? Inti wadani the whole security architecture ebutu. National security ni etimi threaten officer in uniform. Who video no? Ewo kuma say police ni oshe ni full uniform. National Obisha Mufti okuta pistol and not threaten policeman. Na nyaya me awro ni say soldier for ni police for ni bi wo ho. E na omo pa na chon. Omo pa sa akwe chon say onjai na he should calm down, you know.
Bebre.
My brother ke be hu ni so ankona kasa onye bio.
O me bio. Your Excellency ebraso
na ye no kwahwe ni si na no yi
temade yi
meso mo convoy mo national security for and na soldier wa ma mo kwan enti esifo ma bro no e dey handcuffs ato no ne sem. I mean who born dog ama moral of security services no conform police for soldier will be a moral reform because akoye say we page national security as some independent operational presidential force. What you say? Enyema omaino. National security go back to our original role of coordination. Now you page the morale and discipline in the army and the police and the other security agencies.
Aka don hwere be aduana nwotwe na yekoto aba ebi kure nu be adunu be aduasa bi na yekoto aba. Ghana fo wakogina se yansanto so aba ne sabe mampani bio. Enti eja ho kwane de ama o camera ni si wani mu no eden na wo ka ede acha Ghana fo so begina so na wo so enfanto aba ne ma na sabe mampani bio.
Em say ade ba ko a ye hwe so ede to aba ene gidi a wo ewo nipa no na ohwa efrimia me ba me politics mu from 2008 2012 2016 me be free aban mu me nipa me de nokre eye adwuma ade a mentimi nya me nka se meye nya me betimi aye eno na me ka se meye me be ye omampanyin me say botaye da menim and say I want to improve the infrastructure of this country because infrastructure no na be ma economy na yin enti me say me man crofo light me tunsuo me ma nsuo me man crofo nya nsupa no me si school adan me si ayaresabia me ye akwan ampanso me benya akwanya me yes an yoma ni na me kwa pro na say baby amekomia ahemfo no omobo mabaso ene yaban se president Mahama yeda wase if you say kania ene yewo wona otweman ensuo a yewo wona oma ye super enom school ya we see ye no eno ena ma ye nkwada timiko school enti eyade a emma onya arehemu bi ewo mu se nyame ma wakwenya se bedi oman no so wo so ye okakra edeboan enti me de nyame timi aye ena meka nya ya throw your manifesto mo big push ene ade a ya trance ya dwen ho ya hwe bebia ebenya sika ene nya ebetimi asesa emra se ne be ya enyoma betimi akoye eno ne ade agu ya manifesto no menya nipa to minti mekwa akodi ntro akase ne minti minye meka se meye enti emse eye gidie asem enti omo gimidi no gidie se ombeto amame na omo hwe me track record nso a me track record se me deliver enyoma meka se meye Ghana wa kwenya a yebetimi epeja oman no but wo hwe bebia ye kona ase ya fa kwan a ede ye ekon ewrem nti o se yesan de Ghana ebesi kwan no so na yetimi ko ansa na me fi aban mu ye toto nyoma yie the Energy Sector Levy Act by the 3 billion Ghana cedis additional revenues, new revenues. I was here the energy sector debt. Ye juma on 2 new oil fields. And your mommy ye na Abraham ye mampenyi was with 1 oil field, Jubilee. On kwana na ye juma aye nyeska on. Ma pencil ye juma on ENI any 10 field. Enti sika if we sa 2 new oil fields no ebe kan Jubilee dia no eba Nana Akufo-Addo abreso. Ohwe sinking fund meja sika wo ho because na minim say omampanyin kofo ni Eurobond oje no na October of 2017 na osi etua and I'm say entwa ye say ebedru ho na sika ni ho a ebetua ebeptimi aha economy no enti meja sika wo mu enti Akufo-Addo aban baaye abra sa debt no baaye enom France sika no ditua aka Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund made $270 million wo anke de be use as a vehicle for attracting investment into infrastructure and then omo distribute to sika no ebi no de ama na konta omo de si Pullman Hotel Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund sika na meja wo ho no stabilization fund meja $300 million it was stabilization fund sene be ya atorenchen bisia and ase BBC e be shock economy no yen kase afeni ekohwe sika da ho a ebetimi ayusu aso ano enti coronavirus yi by $300 million amijai no eho enom ko yi 1.2 billion e de so coronavirus ano enti e was a oye visionary enye enenko a na wohwe enim if you say sa eman na edru bebia omo edru no omo ehwe dachi na omo de ye omo bibia nti me ye president no sa sika me ka cho yina anka me di media ye nyoma aban foforo ba mo de mo so mo kopem mo de so me hwe dachi nti me de san nyoma no tutu ye and so we need visionary leaders and I think that I've been visionary nti ye say nyame na si hene nipa beto aba but nyame no ohun so sefata say odi o man no ho so no abeyi na man
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Yebado Wasipi, said, UTV and Despite Media ye bo opunu mu no ogie efeso na oba amaiba ofi no obedi nkomo enti begina adwuma wura no manam ye wuro se kwame Despite ani ni nua ede sofori sapon Father Dixon and afi Kennedy se sante o regional manager ana Roger Cotia oye ye penny a ono na ohwe yakwa abedi hu nsam so ene adwuma ye fo a wo Despite Media mu nyina ne Ghana fo nyina begina o manam eda sedama papa se ogie efew so ye hwe kwan se abato yi beko na wiye no ye benya kwan so na san betena se bio na ya san di command from bebi abato no sunsanso e ba kokodu bia nti ye beda wase bebre na ya we show all the best ya we show good luck e wo aba ye kokoto mu e biripa mu no ye be san ba onche na obedi nkom bio e do wase bebre kan wo chia ma me so amayen
yo kam na me dase
to that's papa area de semama aha na ye de enkomo hwehwe ni nyina besi ye ne His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na edin komo efa dwumedi ahodo bebri awaye ne party no ne campaign awaye ne afiaba ye beto no ho enti sade ya hyebobo no Despite Media decision time afiaba ye beto no de besi biara no ye be ma mati ni nyina na mahwe ni nyina na mahu ni nyina so ti magina crew ni nyina na mutumi mbo mu nyina edin Prince Obi Mpe Richard Cote Richard Cote ene wo maka ni nyina se utumi buaye ma ye de we bra medin e de agya kwabena da mu nyina se ama mu ni hwe